Hi everyone and welcome to today's lesson where we're going to look at adding band hits into our salsa grooves that we've looked at so far. So the first set of hits that we're going to look at, very common set of hits, quite simply the 3 side of the clave. And remember, in salsa music we tend to use the son clave, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4. So the final 3 notes of that are going to be our hits. We're going to practice this in 4-bar phrases. So you'll do 3 bars of groove, first of all with cascara, then your hits, then you'll change to bongo bell in your right hand, then your hits, then you'll change to mambo bell, and then your hits. You can orchestrate the hits however you want. I'm going to go for the approach of doing right hand, left hand and right foot at the same time to create this big sound, because after all, when we're playing drum kit in this style of music, we're approximating the role of a number of different musicians, all of whom will be playing the same rhythm. So I'm going to do those 3 limbs at the same time. The next set of hits that we're going to look at is the 3 side of a cascara rhythm. So 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and that final note, the 4 and, is going to push into the first bar of the next phrase. It's going to hold over into that first bar. We're going to approach this the same way. So 4 bars with cascara, 4 bars with bongo bell, 4 bars with mambo bell, but your fill is in the 4th bar of each cycle. And you'll notice that I'm playing clave in my left hand as opposed to the conga tumbao marcha pattern. And the reason for that is the play along that we're going to do at the end of this lesson. I'm going to record some congas, some actual congas into that. And if you have a conga player already and you're trying to do that conga pattern, it sounds too cluttered and you've got that left hand free, so let's do the clave instead.